It's that time of year.
Hey guys, if you want to see what's in the FabFitFun winter box, stay tuned. Okay guys, y'all know FabFitFun is a box that can be customized, and we got annual and we got seasonal, right? I am seasonal. Annual, I don't know a lot about, but I do know it is $180. I'm not paying that much just to be getting some items and just customizing the box. I'm just not gonna do that. Whoever wants to do that, kudos to you. But I paid $49, and the box come out 4 times a year. It's seasonal. It comes out 4 times a year, and it has full-size products, and it has some nice products in it. And as a seasonal person, you can customize up to 4 items, and FabFitFun will they will create you know, the rest of it for you. But if you annual, you can customize your whole box. Okay, so that's the difference with that and the cost. And also they have like wellness, fitness, beauty, and they got fashion up here up to $300 in the box. Okay, that is the specs on FabFitFun. So I'm still trying to debate whether I'm gonna keep it or not. So far FabFitFun has been good to me. I didn't see anything that I didn't like this time. And I need to get more involved with customizing what I want. 4 items I can customize myself. So I need to do that, right? I need to get involved with that so I can get what I want out the box and let them do the rest. Okay, so we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 products in my box. I got 8 products. So I want to start off with this right here. It is a Sonics Bluetooth speaker right here. Of course, it comes with the instructions. This right here is an armrest that you can put on your on the box. Of course, I'm not going to use it that way. It'll be sitting on my desk, and I just want to show you guys. Hold on 1 second. Where's my phone? Okay guys, right here I want to show y'all a demonstration how loud the box can get. Let me play some music for y'all guys right to quick.
I guess I've outgrown them, but that doesn't mean that I don't believe that there's something bigger than me, 'cause I've seen it.
Okay, let me cut this. Yeah guys, I don't want to be copyrighted by YouTube, so I'm not gonna play it too long. But this right here, I love. I can sit on my desk, my beauty desk, or I can sit it on my desk where I do, you know, edit at and just listen to my music, or just anywhere and vibe. I really like, and it has 2 hours up to playtime. So it has 2 hours for that, and I think it's $49. Let me look, and you know, I'm looking on my app, and of course my FabFitFun app does not have everything on there, but it does have some things. It's 45, excuse me, it's 45 for the Sonic Bluetooth speaker, and of course it comes with a USB card. It's showing you that where you can charge it. And let's move on to the next thing. The next thing that I'm going to move on to is the Mark and Graham wine opener, and that is $49. $49. It's an electric wine opener in stainless steel. Let me put my glasses on. What's wrong with me, girl? What's wrong with me? You know I can't see. It's got down here, and girl, it come with batteries. They gave you batteries with it, and it's a metal, 1 metal wine opener, 1 4 quarter, 4 battery. AAA battery, and it got a user manual in here, y'all. So let's see what the app says about this. It says, ever struggle with opening a bottle of wine? And it says, now you can pop your wine bottles at the touch of the button with a sleek wine opener. Craft with dual stainless steel. This battery powered wine opener works on all cork types. It also has a built-in foil cutter. to make it even more convenient. Ooh. And it demonstrates here, guys, on my app how to use it. But I'm not going to show y'all guys, but it shows that. I really, okay, I don't drink a lot of wine, but it will come in handy when I want to. Okay? All right. $49. Let's move this out the way. Okay? And then we're going to move on to, let's see. Okay, we're going to talk about this. This right here is a mason top, mason jar cocktail shaker. Say that fast, 10 times fast. What? It's like a tongue twister. And this is $40. And it comes, and it's a, you can, let me take it out for you. It comes with fork and spoon duo. Look at that. I never made a cocktail, y'all, so I don't know what this is for, but it's cute. I love the color of it. See right here? Look at that. It's a, and let me see what it says here. And then it has a it says a, what is this? Yeah, cocktail shaker lid, silicone sleeve, stainless steel swivel stir stick. And it says, shake up your favorite cocktail in the comfort of your own home. And the bundle includes a mason jar, spoon and fork, strainer to pour out spout, and rubber shot glass for all your cocktail needs. See, I don't drink cocktails, so I wouldn't know what to do with this, but hey, might come in handy. I can make some cocktail for somebody else, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna put it back in the box right here. But I don't know anybody that does cocktails. This would be a good gift for somebody. But I already opened it. Okay, let's move on. It's $40 for that. $40. Okay, I'm stop playing. Okay, and then we're gonna move on to the new Nuco topical vitamin C, and this thing right here costs $55. Look how small this thing is. Look how small. And it's a powder like it's substance that you put in. It's a Nuco topical C. Yeah, Nuco topical C. And then let me see what it says, how to use this thing, y'all. It said 2 to 3 shakes of powder into a moisturized serum applied to clean and dry face. It said moisturized or serum, excuse me. So you can put it in that. Let me read. Hey guys, I did try it. I don't know the effects, how it's supposed to work or whatever, but it does work. It does make your serum feel a little thicker, but it's not bad, if you understand what I'm saying. But I did try it and it does work, okay? But now the effects, I don't know yet. I will let y'all know in a later video. All right, guys, on to the video. Reduce fine lines and wrinkles. Also, all you do is mix it with your existing moisturizer and face serum activate the ingredients. And it's female founded, and it's vegan, and it's organic. So I need to try this. Let me see if I can open this. Let me see how it. Oh, it has a spout like that, guys. See it? So you just put 2 or 3 drops in there in your moisturizer, your serum. I'm going to try it. Need all the vitamin C you can get, right? So I like that. And that costs $55, y'all, for that little thing. Wow. All right. And then we're going to go to the mask. Right here, it is Vitamaskeys. Girl, don't go there with me. There it is right there. And it's cranberry and apple. I can't wait to try this. And it's $24 for, they gave you 3 masks. And it's great for nourishing and brightening skin, and with added antioxidant protections. And it's vegan and it's cruelty free. It treats your skins to blend of apple and cranberry extracts, which will nourish and brighten your skin Each mask also uses a classic triple layer sheet technology for enhanced moisture retention within the sheet, and it increased absorption within the skin. So that's what it says on the app, guys. So this, I'm gonna take it out. Let me let you guys see how they look. There you go, and I can put that in my cosmetic refrigerator with the rest of my mask. Yes, I'm gonna try this. Ooh, I can't. I'm gonna do a spa day. I'm gonna do a spa day, y'all. And this right there was $24, right? So we're gonna go move on. Let's see here. They got some nice stuff in here, guys, so far. We're gonna do the Wrinkles Voish bundle, and it's $38. And it's okay, it's a, wait a minute. Oh, these two go together. Oh, I just realized that. These two go together. And they're $38. Let me see, hold on. Let me see if it's by itself. Okay, no. You're right. Okay. I thought these were separate, but guys, these go together. It's a bundle. It's a Wicked Lush Voish bundle. And it says Wicked Lush in the Stars lip oil. And I got some of that on now, y'all. It's not sticky. And it's got gold particles in it. It looks like chunks of gold. Can't get it out the package, don't it? I love the packaging. And it got winky looks on it. Look at that. Look at the chunks in there. Can y'all see that? Oh my God. I'm going to put some. Let me try it again. Let y'all guys see. And y'all, it smells like vanilla. Oh my God. Woo, this going to go in my purse. You hear me? With the rest of my lip glosses that I got. And then, this is a Mani Moment. A Mani in a box, and it has a nail file, and I guess they give you can do a Mani thing at home, like a manicure at home. It gives you a file, and it has vitamin recharge. It has a sugar scrub, cream mask, and massage butter, and it has 3 steps that you can do a manicure with, guys. And then it has right here a green tox tea, is sugar scrub, cream mask, and massage butter. These are 3 things that you can do for a manicure. So look, you can sit home and just do your habit. You ain't got to go out if you don't want to. You can stay at home and do this thing. Let me see what they say about this stuff. Let's see what they say. It said, and it's female founded and it's vegan. It's yeah, it's $38, and then it said the Wicked Lux in the Stars lip oils is vegan and female founded, and the Voish manicure bundle additional information at home. Mani made easy. Get a Mani makeover at home with our Mani bundle. Includes 2 sets of Mani. Gerda keeps saying Mani. 2 sets of Mani in a box of 3 steps and a nail file. This is easy. DIY manicure makes it self-care so simple. You'll look forward to giving yourself me time on a regular. 3 saturated of green tea, Mani in a box saturated of vitamin, Mani manicure in a box, and a nail file. So it's $38 for both of these, guys. And I'm gonna try both of them. Even though I got my nails done, I still can do it. I can do a Mani. I can do that. Okay, I'm gonna go on, guys. And let's see what else we got left. Let's see what else we got left. We got everything. We did everything. Okay. Last thing that I have is this right here. It's called Liquid IV. I've been hearing about this right here. It is, you can put this in your water. They say put it in 16 ounces of water on this package. Yep, 16 ounces. And this right here is the tangerine. This immune support drink mix. And then it got here, you got a lemon ginger for the energy. And then you got here, you got the hydration one. It's strawberry, and I think is, yeah, I think this is for the hydration. Yeah. And then this is a sample that they gave me in case I want to get some more. If it works, I will. But it didn't tell me no price or how much it costs, guys. But if I find out, I will put it in the screen. But here's the packaging that they gave me right here. And it came with these three right here, guys. And I want to try the one. Hey guys, I don't know whether y'all guys tried that liquid IV, but I did not like that. I just couldn't drink it. It was just disgusting to me. But I didn't like it. I haven't tried the other two. I did try the energy one, but I didn't like it. Okay? All right, guys. On to the video. Love everything that I got so far, and I will try it. And guys, in the midst of my other videos, I will tell y'all guys about what I use. And can't y'all tell that I got another hairstyle? Guess what? I'm about to take it out. Y'all haven't seen me, so I had this for a while. I'm about to take it out because I just don't like the way this hair does. And people tell me that it's supposed to be that way, but we ain't supposed to talk about this on the Fab Fit Fun review. But I just want to jump on here in case y'all been seeing my hair look different. But I just want to tell y'all guys that I love y'all. And when there's an event, I got some content. And I see y'all what? In another video. I love you guys. I truly do. Pray for me as I will pray for you. And I love you. Mwah. And I will put the scripture of the day in the screen. Love you guys. I just want to jump on here and tell y'all guys that I love y'all. Please like, share, and subscribe. And when there's an event, I got some content. And guess what? I'll see y'all in the next video. Love you guys.